We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to capstone. So we have to first start from instruction file. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel App Capstone Intro Collection. We just increase its size and change its color. Then here is project description. We just increase its size and change its color. So we will solve this capstone project step by step. But before going to solve this one, let me move toward a whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have 29. Oh, sorry, we have 36 points, quite big one. Okay, so we will solve this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. We have 36 questions in today's grade report. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel App Capstone Intro Collection. Here is project description. Then you are a financial manager for Judy Art Gallery. Then one of your clients, Rand Chancellor, has a large collection of limited edition signed art by James C. Christian in 1942 to 2017. Over the year, you have helped Raymond maintain a list of his collection, including title of the arts, mediums, issue date, issue price, then the price he paid, current market values. Most of the art is sold out from publisher, which increases the value of art. Other art is still rarely available or is available in limited quantities. So you want to update the list so that he can properly insure his collection. So that was just simply project description. Okay, we have to read project description carefully so we can get idea that what we have in today's assignment, how we have to solve that one. Now we are moving to a grade report after reading project description. Steps to perform, then instructions. Here is start Excel, then download and open the file named this one. Then grader has automatically added our last name in the beginning of the file name. So first we have to open a solution file. We call that solution file. It's just getting open. Then we have to click on enable editing. So first part is done. Now moving toward a next part. Your first task is to move the title to the top of the worksheet. So on Christian worksheet, move title Raymond Art Collection from cell E7 to A1. We have to move toward this one, that is E7. We have to move that to A1. Cut this one from A7, then in A1 we have to paste that one. Okay. Then so question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we just move toward Christian worksheet, and there we have to move the title Raymond Art Collections from cell E7 to cell E1 and we have earned 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3. To balance the space, you will merge the cell containing the title with empty cells and then change vertical alignment. So select the range A1 to A5. First we have to select the range A1 to A5, then merge and merge the cell. Now we have to merge the cell, then apply middle align vertical alignment. Okay, middle align vertical alignment. Here is middle align. Okay, so question number 3 is done and we have earned 2 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to select the range A1 to A5, then merge the cells and apply middle align vertical alignment. We have done question number 3 and we get this answer, and we earn 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. So you want to format some input cells in column K to be similar to other input cells. So change the width of column K to 17. Now first we have to select column K. Where is column K? This one is column K. Right click, and here is column width, and right there 17 press OK. Then select the range K1 to K3 and apply thick outside border. We have to select K1 to K3, and there we have to apply thick outside border. Here is border, thick outside border, this one. Yes, done. So question number 4 is done and we have earned 1 marks from there. So in question number 4 we have to change the width of column K to 17 and select the range K1 to K3 and apply thick outside border, and earn 1 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5, click cell C11. So first we have to select C11 and then freeze the pane so that row 1 through row 10, column A and B are frozen. So now we have to froze. So click on view and there is freeze pane. Open this one and click on freeze. So now you may see first 2 columns A and B is frozen and a row also frozen. Yes, and we got 1 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. Select the range E11 to E59 and then apply this format. First we have to select the range E11 to E59, press enter. Now we have to yeah, that range is selected. Now what we have to do, we have to apply their March 12 date format. So we have to apply March, this one, date format, done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Note that note is for Mac user. Okay, if you are Mac user, then depending on your version of Office you are using, the date format may be March 15. Okay, so that note were just Mac user. We are just Windows users, so we have to use that way that we have solved that question. Now moving toward question number 7. After solving question number 6, your next task is to replace a word with more accurate word. So find all acronyms of retired and replace them. Solve it out. First we have to copy retired from there, then come on the sheet, then there is here we have to click replace. In forward we have to write retired, then in replace we have to write sold out. Copy this one and paste that here, then replace all. Okay, done. So question number 7 is done and we have earned 2 marks from there. So in question number 7 we have to find all the across of retired and then replace them with sold out. After solving question number 7, now we are moving toward question number 8. A range contains a misspelled word that need to be detected and corrected. So select the range C1 to G5, then check the spelling and correct the spelling error. First we have to select the range C1 to G5, then click on review. There is spelling. Yes, first one is anniversary. We have to change that one. Then average, change that one. Yes, done. So question number 8 is done and we have earned 2 marks from there. So in question number 8, we have to select the range C1 to G5, then check the spelling and correct the spelling error. And we have done and we got 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 9. In cell E6, insert a today function. We have to move toward cell E6 and there where is E6? So we have to insert E6, insert today function there. So there we will write just simply today function and we will earn 1 mark from there. So question number 9 is done. Now moving toward question number 10. Click cell H11 on Christian worksheet. We have to move toward H11 in Christian worksheet here, and there what we have to use, insert a formula that calculates the percentage of payment paid of issue price by dividing amount paid by issue price. Payment paid issue price equal payment paid issue price divided by amount paid. Okay, then in column a copy from cell H12 to the range H59. Now we just simply double click on there, so that will be done. So question number 10 is done and we have earned 3 marks from there. So in question number 10 we have to click cell H11 on Christian worksheet and insert a formula that calculates the percentage or amount paid of issues price by dividing amount paid by issue price. Then copy formula to cell H11 to H59. Now moving toward question number 11. Click cell J11, then insert a formula that calculates percentage of change in value by subtracting issue price from current price, then divide the result by issue price. Then copy formula to cell J11 to range J59 and we will earn 3 marks from there. So in next part, in question number 12, we have to, you want to format the result in Pearson style, so apply Pearson style with a 1 decimal place to the range H11 to H59 and J11 to J59 and we will earn 1 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts. So you may see We have done almost half of assignment in today's video. Almost 50% assignment is done from my side. You may see almost 50% assignment is done. Remember that in today's video we have done almost 50% assignment. The name of today's assignment is Exp22 Excel App Capstone Intro Collection. In short, we just discuss project description. After that, then we move to a graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2 where we have to move toward Christian worksheet, and then there we have to move title Raymond Art Collection from cell E7 to E20A sort 1. Then move toward question number 3 and we have to select the range E1 to E5. Then merge the cell, then apply middle align vertical alignment, and we earn 2 marks from there. Then we move toward question number 4 where we have to change the width of column K to 17. Then select the range K1 to K3 and apply thick outside border. Then in question number 5 we have to move to our question number 5 where we have to move to our cell C11. Freeze the pin so that row 1 through row 10 and column E and B are frozen. Then in question number 6 we have to select the range E11 to E59 and there we have to apply March 12 date format. Then we have done question number 7 where we have to find all occurrence of retired and replace them with a sold out. Then in question number 8 we have to select the range C1 to G5, then check the spelling and correct the spelling error. Then in question number 9 we have to insert today function. Then we have solved question number 10, 11 and 12 step by step. So almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may easily contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. You may also contact me for a full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, you may simply text me on my email ID, on my Instagram ID, on my WhatsApp number. I am available. I will respond instantly. And remember that you will get file within next 30 minutes with 100% result with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel App Capstone Intro Collection. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.